The project originally started as an odor control project. We were just going to cover our primary clarifiers, and this was to improve the experience of the community around us. But then we couldn't cover the primary clarifiers without replacing the mechanisms, and we couldn't replace the mechanisms without replacing all the electrical. And in an effort to consolidate schedule and minimize cost and disruption to our treatment facility, we brought what turned out to be 20 different components all together into a single project and envisioned how they would fit together as a big puzzle. The only way that we could deal with the complexity of a job like that really was a design build project. And it was reinforced when we ended up with the design build team with us. They added more nuances to that puzzle, that the vision that we had is in fact actually going to work out in real time.
This plant is approaching 50 years old, and a lot of the equipment was designed for a service life of about 50 years. What we don't want to do is run equipment to failure. This plant can't afford to not operate. Our goals for this project are essentially threefold, right? One is to enhance customer satisfaction. With this work, a lot of key upgrades will be made, and we do tours through this plant all the time, and our customers get a chance to see that. So I think it's a point of community pride to have a plant that's operated well and looks nice. Another one is regulatory compliance. The regulatory compliance is key to everything we do. All the work in the world is for naught if you're not meeting your discharge standards and other things that have been set for Chesapeake Bay water quality. And then finally, modernization. The last time we really did any serious work on this plant was in 2010. And you can imagine, what did your home computer look like in 2010 versus what it looks like today? So to keep up with the more sophisticated equipment, more sophisticated controls is a key goal for me as an end user operator.
So as a project manager, my definition of success always is scope, schedule, budget, quality, right? Those are the words that I live by. It's like, you know, tattooed on my forehead almost. But I really am reaching for something actually much grander than that. I want us to win an Envision Award. I want us to win all kinds of national awards for this project. I want the great work that the plant has done in terms of bringing their staff into the process and really giving them a voice in the project. I want that to be known in our industry. I want to use the project as a springboard for much more community interaction around the plant. But success is also going to be that the people who worked on this job, from the operators to the mechanics to the electricians, and to the contracting staff, right, that they came away saying that was an awesome project. So I think I want everybody to be as proud of this project as I am, and that would be success.